we're primarily rural dealers. We have a large market in 39 states, but in a rural market, the AT tire does perform really well. It does well in gravel, and it runs really good mileage for us as well.
Just being with Fortune, it's about value. I believe that with the Fortune brand, I'm getting more than what I pay for, and I can offer that value proposition to my customers, that they're getting quality tire, but they're not paying 50% more they would with some of the tier 1 brands. It's just a really good value brand. The value's there. I believe you get more than what you pay for with the Fortune lineup.
One of the major lines that we sell today, it's good quality, good price, and the supply is, enormous. I mean, they have several lines that we can choose from.
The tread design, what most attracted us to it was, in our market, a 4-season tire, because the winter tires are kind of downsizing to a 4-season basically, right? Because of the quality of the tire. And so we're selling a lot more 4-season instead of winter tires, and the Brinks was a good fit at the time.
Sam's the best guy, Fortune's the best tire. We're proud to represent him, and we're doing nothing but making money, making everybody happy, keeping LA rolling.